Let's go. What's happening? It's Aggressive Republic, and welcome back to another video. It's vlog day. Yeah, excuse me for being MIA for like 3 weeks. RIP to my watch hours, but we're gonna build that back up. I wanted to film basically like a random QT vlog, and it's a work from home day today. And I also want to take out these mini braids that I put in because I'm not really feeling it, and I wanted to do like wool braids on myself. So this vlog might be super long. If not, I'm probably gonna split it into like 2 parts just so that I have extra content for you guys. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Safe Republic. We do all things a life improvement and vlogs over this side, and a sprinkle of beauty. And if you're a returning subscriber, which I think is quite a few, welcome back, saints. Yes, I just realized that I did not have my mic on, so there might be like a crazy amount of background noise in the first clip.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Technically, I was supposed to clock in like 30 minutes ago, but I'm a little, so we're just clocking in right now. It is currently 9:27, but it's 9:30. I haven't had breakfast, I haven't showered, I haven't brushed my teeth yet. I haven't done all the necessary things that I should be doing early in the morning. So we will be doing that very soon-ish. I just want to check my email to see how busy it is, and then do the gist and whatever. And I'll be going out for lunch with my new friend. Made a new friend, guys, so I'm super excited about that. In the meantime, let me try and open my hair because I have not done wool braids in forever. I'm going to show you a picture here of the wool braids that I usually do, and I really want to be looking cutesy and demure and girly again. So hey guys, chick, just checking my. Okay, so we are headed to a workshop at the iStore in Waterfront, or basically I'm headed to the workshop at the iStore in Waterfront, and then we're just basically gonna window shop for a few things, basically give you guys content. I did not finish my vlog yesterday, so I arrived at the workshop. It was at the iStore in the Queen's Hotel location. I really liked how cute and the setup of this event was. So we have arrived, and it's a really cute spot. And I think we're just waiting for a few more people to arrive, and then it will start. So other than that, we'll film at a later stage.
This is the way paper. So to those who know me, I'm Michaela Sling. Many people don't know that my surname is actually Peters. But I'm Michaela Sling, also known as Michaela Sling Photography. So I do travel blogging and I do photography where I shoot everything under the sun practically, and videography. So travel, weddings, brand, graduation. So the shadows will be all the dark aspects of the picture. So the picture's a little darker, right? So the shadows will bring all the things that are in the dark light to light. This is if you're editing the picture now. The highlights, well, exposure will be how bright the picture is or how dark it is. The brilliance, excuse for the brilliance of the AI, it's brilliant. Very saturated sometimes, and the picture just isn't for me. So I specifically do it myself.
You also a standard photograph out. You're able to take that photograph and turn it into a portrait shot after.
She and a 5 takes a t-shirt.
So after the talk that Michaela had, which was very informative, we got to go upstairs to take some pictures and see basically the settings that she used on her iPhone and how we could adjust to use those same settings on our phones to get better pictures, to get better videos, to shoot in a more stabilized way, which I am super obsessed with. Like, this vlog just proves the quality of her content and how my content could improve just with shooting with my phone, and I am very obsessed. I got to learn a lot on how to edit and how to use my phone without a stabilizer. So I think I've become pretty good at using my phone without a stabilizer. There was a DJI gimbal up for grabs. Unfortunately, I did not win, but it's okay. I'll have to buy one. I'm okay with that, and I'm okay with investing in myself. So everybody here was basically different people from different backgrounds, different work environments, which I really liked, and that we got to mingle. So our first location was on the rooftop, which has super amazing views. I also really like the cozy interior of the Queen's Hotel, which is super nice. So the iStore basically hosts these events on a yearly basis, and usually it is something where they invite photographers, videographers, or just somebody of influence that is able to inform us and give us the inside scopes into bettering our content using the new Apple devices, and how we can better navigate the Apple devices as well. Our second location was close to this river area. The girls at the back were so cute, busy doing TikTok dances, which I kind of liked. And yeah, look at them posing in the background. It was really cold this day, but we managed to do what we had to do to get those pictures, to get the videos, and to get this content. Also, what I really liked is that at every location we were, Michaela was very informative in terms of lighting, how to use that to our advantage, how to pose, how to shoot, what lightings, what settings to use when we're busy using different lightings on our iPhones without having to use any other apps outside of the phone's settings or the camera settings, which was amazing information. So yeah, after this workshop also just really basically gave me the insights on how to better use my camera settings, and shoot better content without diminishing the resolution while posting on apps, and just getting that crisp, clean content with every shot with my iPhone. And yes, guys, I shoot with my iPhone. So right here, I was just getting alone time, trying to get some shots in and get a few little candid videos to give it that cinematic feel. And I really wanted to improve the type of content that I've given you guys in terms of not only quality, and I'll scream again and again and again that I want my vlogs to look like you're watching a movie, okay? I want to know how to color grade properly. I want to know how to shoot in different angles that will be able to blend nicely. And that is also what she taught us within the workshop, which I'm super grateful for attending. And it was actually free, guys. All you had to do was sign up through the form, and voila, you got a spot. Okay. And yeah, I really hope they do host another one like this, and that will probably be next year. But fingers crossed for something that will be sooner. So yeah, become an insider, guys, and you really find cool things to do around Cape Town, cool workshops that'll help not only improve your content but also allow you to network with people in the same field as you, or people in different fields of the type of content they create: marketers, photographers, videographers, um, designers, and so forth. It is a great way to network and set yourself up. Right, so when we got back, we had time to have a little snack, chat, mingle, um, and network. And I really liked how cute the setup of the charcuterie board was. I didn't have any of it though, but there was also a bar where they made drinks, um, at your request, obviously, and it was all free, guys. I love free stuff. Okay, this drink obviously was not mine. I do not consume alcohol, but look at how pretty this drink is. So pretty, and the bartender was showing us a cute little tricks in terms of how he made this drink. And look at how the can stuck to his hand.
Oh, oh, there we go. The magic trick is working. The magic trick is working.
So that place is it a
Yeah, this is a soupli pot. It is, but it works a little bit. I give you enough. More. I need sugar. More, you know how cold it was to open this bottle.
So, hey guys, it is Sunday. I didn't get to finish the rest of my vlog yesterday. I was super exhausted. I ended up taking a really nice shower and got into bed, and I knocked out. It's a really lazy Sunday as well. I had to like do my spring clean, get my mind right, Sunday reset, obviously. I should post more Sunday reset vlogs, which I think is something that has been going on all over social media lately. And I think you guys would enjoy that since you guys enjoyed my depression clean. I really noticed that. So I find that a lot of people like cleaning videos. We'll be doing that more often. And then I had to go through my emails and reply back to those emails and things like that. So just seeing where I am in terms of like work and reflecting and all the sort. So yes, my hair looks very different. That's mainly because I had to wash my hair. It was very greasy. I was not happy with how greasy it was, so I kind of washed it. I did mention that I wanted to do wool braids. I just didn't have the time to do those braids, and I have to actually go buy braids elsewhere because the place, basically the beauty supply store where I usually buy my wool, did not have wool. So I actually have to go to the wool shop, which is slightly more expensive, but then again the quality is way better sometimes. So we have to do that by the next weekend. What? I'm gonna cry myself to sleep because I need my hair done. I'm tired of looking like a rag doll, and I'm tired of looking crusty, dusty, and musty. So the girl's gotta get braids, the girl's gotta look cute and feminine, you know what I'm saying? This is basically the end of the vlog. I think this is the stepping stone to bringing you guys quality content that I not only expect for myself, but that I want you guys to enjoy. So do let me know in the comment sections down below if you really enjoyed this vlogs, if you do want to see more vlogs like this, because there's going to be a lot of events that I will be attending on weekends, and my schedule is getting a lot busier. I'll try and incorporate the things that I do on a day-to-day basis and shoot as much as I can within the week, just to give you guys weekend vlogs. Getting better at editing vlogs, so whoop whoop, hooray for me. I am a work in progress, and I love that for myself. So yeah, I'll love you guys, and I'll leave you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video and the next vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.